Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through how you can apply an electronic travel authorization to travel to UK. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also, I would like to clarify, neither I'm an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So if you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. All right, guys, so let's proceed. So guys, like other countries, UK too have initiated its electronic travel authorization process. Okay, and they're going to include more countries also in it. So as of now, it is limited to certain countries. So I'm not going to go into the details about requirements and what you need to do, like how long it takes. If you take a look, like within 3 working days, 10 pounds it costs. So that's fine. But yeah, let's go through the process. So I click on apply for an ETA. You can do it using the apps. It's available on both Apple Store and Google Play. But if you can't do that and you want to do it, use your laptop or desktop, for example, you can click on apply online. The very first thing is gonna ask you to verify your email address. It's gonna send a 6-digit security code. You're gonna put that code and then you can go to the next step. So I'm gonna do this step and then I'm gonna see you guys. Okay, so after you are that, it's gonna ask you to upload or take a photo of your passport. So you can click on continue. So after you upload that photo, it's gonna ask you for country or nationality. So I'm just putting sample. You need to do as per your case. Passport number. I'm just putting some sample. Country of issue. Expiry date. Yeah, what's the expiry date? So make sure it matches with your passport exactly it is. Otherwise, there could be issues. Date of birth is for the applicant. Do it as per your case. It's asking for the name, given name, or you can say first name. Now check everything here. If you want to make any changes, go ahead and click on change and do. Once you are sure that it's fine, you can do. Now it's asking you to scan your face with your webcam. For the purpose of this video, I'm not doing that. But if you have a webcam, why wouldn't you? And if you click skip, it's gonna ask you to upload your photo. Okay, so I'm gonna do. Now it's asking, do you have a phone number? I select yes. So do as per your case, not what I'm showing you, because this is just address. Do it as per your case. Do you have any other nationality other than this? I select no. Do you have a job? Okay, it's asking for the job. I just say IP technician. Continue. Have you ever had a criminal conviction? I select no. Have you ever been more suspected of any of the following war crimes? Terrorism, supporting extremist group, expressing external views, extremist? I select no. Yes, if there's anything wrong, anything that you want to change, you can change here. Declaration. Now, once I click on declaration, it will ask me to pay the fee and other things. Of course, I'm not going to do that, but I gave you an idea. I'm going to cancel the application now, but let me know what you feel about it and if this video was helpful. Thanks for watching this. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.